Good morning, children. I hope you all are fine. So today here again I come with a video on maths about simplification. In class 3 we have already learnt simplification using the first bracket. This is a round bracket. Today in class 4 you are going to learn simplification using 3 brackets. Let us see how it is done. See, children, we have 3 brackets. This is a round bracket which you already know. This is called the curly bracket or the second bracket. And here we come with the square bracket or the third bracket. So first bracket, round bracket, second bracket or curly bracket, and third bracket. As the name suggests, this is the question. 12 of 4 plus curly bracket 14 of 5 divided by within round bracket 5 into 2 round bracket close curly bracket minus again another round bracket 144 divided by 12 plus 12 round bracket close plus 27 divided by 3 square bracket. So the whole sum comes under square bracket. Okay, so as the name suggests, first bracket, so whatever work is there in the first bracket, we will do that first. Okay, so let us see how it is done. I will write down as it is given. Okay, because first we are going to do the work in the first bracket. First bracket is this, so 5 into 2 is 10. Then curly bracket close. Again there is a first bracket here. So what will we do? Here we have to follow the Bodmas rule. You all learned about Bodmas rule. B means bracket, O is off, D is division, M is multiplication, A is addition, S is subtraction. So in the first bracket, what I have? I have division and addition, right? So according to Bodmas rule, I have to do division first. So I am doing division. 144 divided by 12 is 12. And plus 12, bracket close, plus I will not do anything here now. First I will finish the work of the round bracket. Again I will write as it is. No changes here until and unless we finish the work of the first bracket. Now 12 plus 12 is 24. So my work of my first bracket finishes here. I don't have to give bracket anymore here because nothing is left. Now I have finished the work of the first bracket. Now I will do the work of the second bracket. Curly bracket or second bracket. Now inside the second bracket also I have one off and I have one division. So according to Bodmas rule I have to do off first. So I give a line here so that I can remember. 14 5s are 70 divided by 10 minus 24 plus 27 divided by 3. I will not do anything else. Repeatedly I am telling. We will go stepwise. Now 70 divided by 10 is 7. So 7. So here again the work of my round bracket finishes. Now what is left? Only the work inside the third bracket. The third bracket also I will have to follow the Bodmas rule. So according to Bodmas rule I have to do off first. So 12 4s are 48 plus 7. After off, what we have? Division. So I'll do division then in the next step. 3 9s is 27. Right? So now what is left? Only plus and minus. So I will rearrange now. In this step I will rearrange. I will bring all the plus signs together. 45 plus 7. Remember here plus sign, the numbers with the plus sign before. You have to bring it first. Many of you do mistake in this rearrangement. You have to rearrange it properly. The numbers with the plus sign before, I'll bring it here. So 48 plus 7 plus 9 minus 24. Okay, 24 is not plus here, 24 is minus. So all the numbers with the plus sign together and all the numbers with the minus sign afterwards. This is called rearrange. Now I will add. So 48 plus 7 plus 9 is how much? It is 64 minus 24. 40. So answer is 40. Okay? So see the sum once. So you have to follow this rule. First bracket, second bracket and third bracket. Okay? And inside the third bracket is here. Inside the third bracket the whole sum is there. First I have done the first bracket sum. Inside the first bracket, if there are two operations, first then you have to follow the BODMAS rule. First division, then plus. Okay? The next step, here I have finished the work of my first bracket 24. Now the work of the second bracket. Inside the second bracket again there is an off and there is division. So first I have done the off part, 70 divided by 10. I have not done anything here else. Then I finish the work of the second bracket, 70 divided by 10 is 7. Now what is left? Only the third bracket. Inside the third bracket again I have off. So off first. Then the next step, division, 327. Then here arrangement I have done, all the plus signs together, plus 48, plus 7. Remember, the number before the sign before the number matters, not after. So plus 7, plus 9 and at last minus 24. This step is very important. And then I calculate and I get 40. Okay children, so this is the way. So this is the way you have to solve your simplification using 3 brackets. Okay, thank you.